Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something essential in almost every kitchen, cooking oils. You might just grab whatever's on the shelf, but choosing the right oils can actually make a big difference for your health. It's not just about flavor. It's about how these oils react to heat and what kind of nutrients they bring to your plate. So let's explore some healthy options that are great for natural cooking. First up, let's talk about olive oil. This one is probably already in your pantry, and for good reason. Extra virgin olive oil especially is packed with monounsaturated fats, which are super good for your heart. It also contains powerful antioxidants. Now for cooking, extra virgin olive oil has a lower smoke point, meaning it starts to burn and break down at lower temperatures. So it's best used for gentler cooking methods like sautéing on medium heat, dressing salads, or finishing dishes. For higher heat, you might look for regular olive oil, which has a slightly higher smoke point. Next, we have avocado oil. This is a fantastic all-rounder and a real favorite for high-heat cooking. Why? Because it has a very high smoke point, meaning it can handle sizzling and frying without breaking down and forming harmful compounds. Plus, it's loaded with those healthy monounsaturated fats, similar to olive oil, and has a very mild flavor, so it won't overpower your food. It's a great choice for roasting vegetables, stir-frying, or anything that requires more intense heat. Another great option is coconut oil. This one has been quite popular, and for good reason. It's stable at medium-high heat, so it's good for baking and some sautéing. What makes it unique is its high content of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are fats that your body can use for quick energy. Just be aware that it has a distinct coconut flavor, so make sure that works with your dish. And let's not forget ghee or clarified butter. While technically a dairy product, it's been cooked down to remove the milk solids and water, leaving behind pure fat. This gives it a wonderfully rich, nutty flavor, and a very high smoke point, making it excellent for high-heat cooking like searing meats. It's also suitable for those who are sensitive to lactose or casein, found in regular butter. The key takeaway here is to choose oils that are stable at the temperature you're cooking at and that offer nutritional benefits. By picking the right healthy oils, you're not just cooking, you're actively boosting the goodness of your meals.